Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use my Juvia Place Concealer in 16 and my ABA setting powder to set it. Now I'm going to use a Nudes palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take that last shade in there and I'm just going to put that in my crease. Now I'm going to take that nude shade and I'm going to put that on my lids like just halfway because I'm going to put another shade next to it. Now I'm going to use the Rebel Army palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take that green shade in there. I'm just going to put that right next to the other shade that I put down. Now I'm going to use my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my AOA Studio Lash Glue, and then I'm going to use my Ioni lashes. Now I'm using my Sephora eye pencil and also use my Essence mascara, although I didn't show it on here. Now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Moisture Filler Moisturizer. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm going to use my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer, and I used this in my last video for the first time and I really love it. I definitely would suggest this primer if you have large pores to try out to see if you like it, but I definitely love it and it works for me. Now to correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Now I'm going to use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is in 13 Chestnut. Now for some more coverage, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. And I'm going to put this all the places where I put the orange corrector. Now to highlight, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. Okay, now using Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use that top shade to contour my nose as well as go around my jawline because it's lighter, and I'm going to use the other shade for the other parts of my face. Now I blend out that concealer, and now I'm going to use my ABA setting powder again. Use that just to set it. Now for my all over face powder, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm going to use a Juvia's Place Hair and Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to come on and take that brownish shade and use that for my blush. Now I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Fruity Highlighter in Pineapple. Next, I use my Morphe lipstick and Player, and I didn't even show me putting it on, y'all, because it broke. Now I'm going to use my I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach Spray. I'm going to set my face, and this definitely is a good spray. It definitely kept my makeup all day. And that is it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look with this green lip. Just want to try something different. I like to do different things from time to time. I'm trying to grow my channel, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. See you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.